So let's see. Okay, so now what we are trying to do, okay, so here like we are creating record, like we can create multiple records, okay, so that we discussed, right? So let me just, okay, create multiple records. So this is let's consider, okay, so this is record 1, so this is record 2, so this is, okay, so record 2, record 3. So record 5. Okay, so as of now, like we know, okay, so how we can create records. So for a like single object, so let's consider this is a single object. Okay, for this single object, from tabs, we will create multiple records, right? So while creating records, so record 1 can have, okay, so with a master like standard, so which doesn't have like any record types as of now. So record 1 is like normally created, and record 2. So for this 2, so I want to create, okay, some sort. So this record 2, which is something called, okay, so NA type, so which is something, okay, which is NA type data. And for this, okay, so NA, so I need to have something, okay, within the system to control it. Okay, so this is something a data for SEA, and this can also have something called SEA. Okay, so record 5 can also for SEA, and record 4, which is also a type of SEA, and record 2, which is a type of, okay, NA. So once you, okay, control data, like default there should be one record type. Okay, so default will be placing as NA only. So if no, okay, someone is creating data, so if you come up with, okay, record type, so by default there should be have one record type. So that is by default I'm taking as a NA. So like if you are mentioning anything, so by default it will be taking NA itself, North America region. So for record 1, so we can have like record type NA, and for record 2 like this. And for record 4 and 5, I want to capture that information for only to specific SCA data. And if I want to specific, okay, to SCA data, so then, so for this SCA, I need to have like a page layout. Okay, so different page layout for SCA and different page layouts for NA. So first we have to create within the system is, first we need to create a page layout for NA and for SCA, and those needs to be assigned. And again, like we have to create uh, record types, okay, and we have to assign those record types to page layouts. Okay, so that is how like we are doing. So first we need to do, let's consider, okay, so record type 1. So this will be connected to page layout 1. Okay, so layout 1. So when user, okay, creating data, when user, okay, so creating this data, so user, okay, so has come like he is creating one data, so within the system. So let's take, okay, consider record 1. So for that, like record type 1, so he will be selecting one layout, he will be entering that data. Finally what it will happen, so it will create one record 1, so with a NA record type. Okay, likewise user comes and he will just modify this record type, so with record type 2. So once, okay, so he modified that record type 2, so it will be default, okay, backend, like we are already given something. Okay, so this record type which is connected with layout type 2, right? So when user selects like record type 2, okay, so he will be able to see this only the related information which is available for this layout type 2. Okay, so only those data can be seen within this record. Okay, so likewise we can just create multiple records with different categories. So previously what we have seen, we thought, okay, only records can be created, so without filters. Now, okay, we are creating records with filtered data, Now, okay, so how I can identify, so which record is having, okay, which record type. So simply I told you, okay, so how we can just check that. So are you guys able to see my screen, PowerPoint?
Yeah, bro, I'm seeing.
Okay. I'm not able to open the browser. What happened? Oh, guys, sorry. Like, can you able to see now?
Yeah, boy, it's good.
Okay. So what we are trying to do now, okay, so we are trying to create the data, so which is with the different filters, okay. So this is one type of filter, so which we are creating. So I can also, okay, so check within this list view. So this we call it as a list view. Okay, so we can create a new view and we can just, okay, check like for what is the record type. Okay, so for this record 7, so which is North America patient record type. Okay, so what will happen? So for this like one, so there will be something. Okay, so I can change the record types also right now. Okay, so that is not available for this. Okay, because like this is created earlier, right? So this will be something, okay, messing up some data issues. Okay, so that is why we have to create first here, like for when you are defining these record types and page layouts. Okay, you have to create at the earlier stage, so that, okay, it will not impact the other data. So but anyways, okay, we got to know that, okay, so how we can create a record type and how we can assign that record type with a different page layout and how we can see that. Okay, so if you are creating a new one, so it will be asking, so which type of data you want to create within the system. Is it like South America patient? Yes. So do you want to create the data? Yes. Okay, so Lakshmi, which is only for South America. Okay, region Lakshmi and patient number and this and doctor. So you can just, okay, specify RameshD and save this. Okay, so this is one more record type. Okay, so if you want to just see what is the record type also, what you need to do. So just tell me now, but I'm not able to see the record type here. So how can I see that record type within this? On this page, I want to just drag or I want to just add that record type for seeing purpose. Right now, I can't see this, right? Like record type anywhere. Can anyone tell me like where can we change, like how we can change it? I want record type field. I want to see, okay, which data type here, like which record type it is.
I'm not sure. Do we need to create any field in the object to see that record type?
Yeah, so we don't need to create a record type separately. Okay, so you will have a field, so record type itself. So when you create a record type, so it will by default, okay, it will generate one record type field. So that is a standard field. So you just need to go to layouts first, okay. So search for that record type field. So field, do we have something called record type? If you just go with fields and search for record type, you can see record type here, right? So that is a good question, but okay, so we don't need to create a field. So that is the first thing, and it by default, okay, it will be generating a field. So within the system, you just need to drag that in the section 2, which is like which layout? It is something like patient info layout. So this patient info layout, I'm just mentioning this section 2 as SCA information. Okay, so South America information. And I also want to change this name. Okay, so this name itself is like something called South America. South America layout. South America patients layout. Yeah, by default, by default, you can't see, okay, this record type field. But when you create a record type, first record type we created, right? So when you created that record type, by default, Salesforce creates one field. Okay, standard. This is a standard field. So the API name will be, okay. You can see API name also. API name will be record type only. So you can't see your double underscore C. It will be like something record type only. So you can also change. Okay, so these payments information, like you can just add another. So right now I have added a record type field, and also I just want to add, okay, so another fields to check on the page itself, like payment date and payment mode and due to be paid, and like record ID. Yeah, so for this payments, okay, we have not created any record type, right? So only patient level we are creating, but this is a related list. So within this payments, we have not created a record type. That is why you can't see the field. So if you create any record type for these payments, and if you assign that a specific layout, so by that time, okay, it will generate one more field record type for these payments also. So for this child object, so you can just see that as well. Okay, so and doctor patient. Likewise, if you go to this layout, you can just modify all the data. And okay, so now if you go back and let's just okay, refresh this. Can you see this? Okay, so record type. So record type, which is South America patients record type. Okay, so when you just come, when you open anything, okay, so this is something another layout. So by default, okay, which is taking North America, I guess, North America region layout. Okay, that is why you can't see the record type here. So which is holding the North America regions data. Okay, so if you can have like, if you just check another like which we created earlier. So the latest one, the latest, like if you open, you can see this. Okay, so record type South America patients, because okay, we have handled so this record type under only one layout. Okay, so South America. But if you want to just do that for the North America also, click on edit layout. So change this layout to North America patients layout. So okay, within this North America patient layout also, I want to just check, okay, so what is the record type? So what is the record type for this? So this section 2 I'm labeling as and okay, so if you just want to add, okay, so some other information, you can add at related list also and save this. Okay, so likewise, yeah, now you can see like South America as well as North America also. And if you go to like one, so the record type, okay, by default, it is not having any record type. So, okay, because which is created earlier, okay, later we created record type. That is why, okay, you can't see anything. But so what if, okay, if I want to change this, okay, you can just click change here. Now, okay, you can just assign either it is a North America or South America. North America, just continue. For one also, you can see now it is a North America patient and save this. So now, okay, so the patient one, so which is connected with like North America patient, but later, okay, you thought, okay, which is not for North America. So you can just click on change. You can, okay, so just modify this to South America and continue. And okay, so once you selected that again, so you will see a different layout. Okay, so this is a different layout. So if you just remember, okay, so this is a different layout. This is South America information. Again, if you want to just add another field, or if you want to, okay, remove something, you can just remove and save this. So likewise, it will be working. So now we are controlling data. So based on record types, is it clear? And this is from, okay, front end, like we are, okay, just seeing it, but from not from back end. Okay, so but when you click on go only, so have you identified this? When you click, okay, immediately you are not able to see all the information. When you click go, then only, okay, you're able to see this information, right? So what if, okay, so if I want to click, okay, on the patient info itself, if I want to click, immediately I want to showcase all the fields here instead of going back. Okay, click on go, and okay, so here I want to see, instead of that, I want to see directly on the payments selection itself. I want to, okay, so showcase all the information record type I want to see on the screen itself. Okay, so and the doctors which are connected to this patient on the screen itself. Okay, so how we can handle that also? So if you just need to go to object, so if you can see multiple other options, so there is something called like search layouts. Okay, so these are the layouts where we can perform. If you just go check for the tab, patient info tab, so this is the tab, right? So this is tab only, right? When you click tab, so when you click tab, okay, so by default it is showcasing only, so this patient info number, So if you want to control this, okay, you just need to click on edit. So right now it is only showing, okay, patient info number. Now I want doctor. So I want this patient name, okay, and then doctor, and then patient phone. Yeah, now I want like record type, which record type it is, and record ID. I don't want is inpatient. I just want to check. So if you don't want this, okay, you just need to remove this also. That is fine. If you want to do add, so you can add also. Remove and add, it is possible here. And I want to just see, okay, so patient index, or okay, I want to just see like last modified, who modified this record. So just to track. Now if you go back, okay, so refresh this page. So now, okay, when you are opening this payments information, when you are opening this payments, okay, tab, you can't see these fields because it is not added at object level for this edge layouts. But okay, so if you just click on patient info, but you can see here, okay, so patient name, doctor, record type, is patient last modified by who modified it. Okay, so what is the record type? So let's take for one. So this is the record type, South America. And okay, so for record 8, so which is South America patient, again South America, 189, which are South America, and 7 is North America. But okay, so these like 2, 5, 4, okay, so 3. So these are not having any record types. Okay. So now what I want to do, so now, okay, so I want to check, let's take, okay, I have multiple records within the system. I have around, okay, 10,000 records. Even this also very difficult to us, 10,000 records, we cannot go individually. Even on the screen also, we cannot identify properly. Okay, so for that, like what we can do. So is it clear? Okay, so am I going fast? Is it okay? Are you getting me? Anyone? Okay, so feeling I'm going fast. No, right? Simply I am just, okay, so showcasing you all the options which are available. So if you go to payments, if you want to just, okay, track all the payments on this screen itself, like when you click tab, so you can just modify that. So where you can modify that, you have to go to object level and you have to just select for tab, and then okay, so you can just modify it. And second thing is like, okay, so you can also modify it, but okay, you have to go to click on go, then only you can see this information. Okay, so that means, okay, there is one more step you have to, user has to click, then only you can able to see that. We can control with a view. Okay, so list view we would say. Okay, so list view, which is something, tab view, which is something different. Okay, so this is a tab view, so you can see all at once user clicks on tab. Okay, so but list view is something different. Okay, if I create a new view, so let me just quickly, okay, create only for NA region. So NA records view. So if I create this, okay, NA records view. So by default, we have something called all payments. Instead of that, okay, so my payments means like which are created by me only, but okay, I'm giving all payments, all users like which are created within the system. We can see all those. And the second, okay, filter. So here, like I'm adding like which filter, record type, where is record type? Which object it is? Sorry, payments, right? So in payment, like we have not created, so that record type. Go to patient, and okay, so create new view. So here it is something called NA reports. So in this, like what I'm trying to, okay, capture only, I want to capture NA records on click only. So instead of going back, so this is the record type, and which should be equals, and the value should be something, okay, can just select here. So which you want, North America patients, only North America patients information you can see here. Okay, North America records view. So within this, like when you click that, and which type of data you want to track. So you want doctor information. So we want okay, so patient name, and we want like record type also, and okay, so is inpatient, likewise. Okay, so likewise you can just add like multiple doctor, patient, so it should be below. Just give like this. Okay, created by. So visible only to me, visible to all users. Okay, so if you select visible to all users, like okay, no need to create this multiple times, so all users can see this. but only if you want to restrict only to me. So if you want to just see, okay, only as an administrator, when you are developing something, okay, if you want to just track the data, so you can just put only for visible to me. But so if you just, okay, click on like visible to all users, so it will be available for all users. Okay, so now if you just go back, okay, see NA records view. Okay, so for this like patient info, so you can see, okay, so there is many records. And okay, if you click on all, so you can see like South America and North America also. But okay, right now North America patients, how many which we have? Only one North America. If you go to North America reports, so you can see only that report. So what if, okay, if you want to just there is only 10 minutes left. So what if, okay, if I want to just check only for South America patients, how can we do that? Can anyone tell me? If I want to just see only record type South America data, are only, okay, so patients which are connected with doctor, so Dr. Ramesh D, or any criteria we can give. Okay, so how we can do that? So if I want to just showcase that data on the screen, simply you have to go with this create new view only. Okay, you have to create a new view. First you need to understand what they are asking. Okay, so accordingly we have to do. So if they are asking on this page, so what is this page? This is the list view. Okay, so this page is a list view. And the first page, like when user click on this, so this is something like tab view. So this is tab view. Okay, the first page like you are seeing when you are clicking tab, so that is a tab view. So once user clicks on go, so this is something called list view. So this is a list view. Here like we can create multiple views also. Okay, so when user clicks on a tab, so we have like multiple list views. So these are all list views. So when user clicks NA records view, it will be redirected to this list view. And okay, so I want to track only South America region records view. So then, okay, I have to just go with all patient info, but here like I need to mention record type should be record type equals to, instead of North America, it should be South America, insert selected. And okay, so which data you want to display? Patient email also I want to display. Okay, is inpatient, and what is the record type? And okay, so patient name also I want to display. Okay, so it should be visible only to me, or it should be for all? It should be for all. Simply now you can see, okay, SCA records, like if you select, so you can see, okay, all these, okay, so South America patients you can see. And if you select, okay, North America records, you can see North America. If you select all, so you can see all records, complete records within the system, you can see. But by default, like which you can see, by default, when you click on any tab, so by default, you will be seeing only this all, okay? So default, which will be all. So if you just want to check like NA records view, you have to click on that. So if you select, okay, SCA records, you can see South America patients. Now, okay, so is it clear? Is that clear? We are just, okay, playing with data only. Guys, like, is it clear? Am I going fast? Anyone can?
No, bro, it is clear.
It is clear, right? You can just, okay, you can just go to objects, you can just see all the options. And likewise, okay, I think you have like multiple objects. When you open this tab, so you can just play with this, okay, how you want to display. If you want to display this information here, so then you have to go to like object, and then you have to go with select, okay, select tab view or something will be there. Okay, so there you have to mention those fields, and okay, you can see here. But okay, so if you just want to see as a list view, so you have to define here. Okay, so list view, you can edit it or you can create a new view, and accordingly you can just showcase the data. So by default, okay, we have not selected anything, we have not created a new view, so that is why you are able to see only all payments only. Okay, so when you create a new view, so that will be displayed here. You can just segregate the data based on this selection. Now what I want to do, so now, okay, from backend I want to check. So now, okay, so from front end, we have done. Anyways, okay, we all are developers, okay, after 1 or 2 months. So we want to segregate data. We have to segregate data from backend. So now what I want to do, I want to, okay, where I need to go if I want to control this from backend, where I have to go.
Developer console.
Okay. So go to developer console. Now I want to, okay, so do this activity from backend. So I have already this patient info. Everyone aware, right? Like this is a select query, and these are all the fields with comma, 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 and last. Okay, so it should be from this patient info. And here, okay, so I have just selected doctor not equals to null. Okay, that means it will display all the information. So within the system, so doctor should be having. Okay, so at least doctor should be having. So how many total records? How many total records you can see here? The query for total records. Yeah. So if you don't mention where clause directly, if you are placing okay patient info, if you are not mentioning where clause, this is the total. Okay, so if you just refresh this, total how many records we created? Total 8 records. Out of 8 records, how many having doctors? So if I want to just go with like doctor.name, so I have given this query. So you can just okay check this query also. So this is okay query, so which actually showcasing us all patients info which connected to doctor. Okay, as lookup or master lookup, whatever. Okay, I'm writing lookup. So this is what, okay, so this is okay, this code is showing that. And now what I need, so instead of doctor, I want to check record type. Okay, so whether this patient info is connected with any record type or not. Okay, so what is the field? So which we have a for record type. So the new field is like something record type. Okay, so this is the field name. This is the API name record type, which okay, which is a standard field. When you create a record type within the system, so it will generate record type field as well. So if you just execute this, it will throw an error. Okay, so either you can just have like this record type, instead of record type, you have to mention record type ID. Okay, so it will throw an error like record type entity on the patient info, which is not available. So you just need to execute either like record type ID or something. Okay, so if you just mention like record type ID, so what it will display, it will display the IDs. Okay, so if you just go back and open this, if I want to open this, how I can open? We have to go to this. Okay, after like salesforce.com, after this salesforce.com, so you have to copy this and okay, so remove the entire part and you have to just copy this. Okay, so insufficient privilege, it is saying we can't access this. Okay, so but okay, if I just copy this, if I just copy this patient info and after this, if I select and enter, so I can see the okay, so patient information here. So this is the patient information. Okay, you can also control from the URL also. Okay, I'm showcasing you all the okay available options. You can okay play around here. Okay, so this is how like if you want to track okay from the URL, you have to okay remove entire stuff after this like salesforce.com and slash you have to mention that ID. So that okay, so if there's something like if it's 9, if you mention, so it will throw an error. Okay, so if I can't access this, so it should be okay the same ID only, then only you can see this information. And second, okay, what we were trying to okay capture here is record type ID. So instead of this record type ID, I want to just showcase the record type name, so that okay I can understand in a better way. So names are like we can understand, right? This ID I can't understand. So if I want to get that name, so you just need to copy this record type ID. So remove this ID anywhere. Okay, so if you have like the standard field, so anywhere. Okay, so if you have like something called account ID, so you have to remove that ID. After ID, okay, after record type, you have to mention dot name. Likewise, we have mentioned here, right? So if it is a custom field, we have to mention _R. So which is showing, okay, so which is related to related object. Okay, so related object, and so I'm capturing related object's name information.